welcome to the unboxing. In the box, we get all the standard accessories such as a USB cable and a wall charger. Mine is a review unit, but your retail unit will include a screen protector and user guide leaflets as well. The device feels solid in the hand. It's made entirely out of plastic, but it's a unibody device, thus the battery is non-removable. Everything else is pretty standard. The buttons, USB port on the bottom, headphone jack on the top, and even the camera on the back. The biggest feature that everyone will notice is the 5.45-inch 18:9 display clocked at 720p resolution. It's the #1 reason you will be looking at getting this device, complemented by a 3020 mAh battery that should last you well throughout your busy day. The 13-megapixel camera on the back produces images that are good enough to justify having a camera on the device. As you can see, this will serve you just well. The 5-megapixel selfie shooter is standard with an AI beauty mode that will require you to take 3 different shots at different angles before processing your image and allowing you to edit the size of your eyes, the size of your face, and even how white your eyes are. I am assuming selfie lovers will appreciate the extra features within this camera. On the software side, the device runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with EMUI 8.0 on top, meaning that out of the box, you will not get an app drawer, but that can be tweaked in the settings and you can enjoy Android the way it was meant to be. I mean, with an app drawer. My first experience with the 2GB RAM loaded on the device is sufficient enough for day-to-day usage, working alongside the MediaTek MT6739 processor to ensure that the phone can handle the tasks you throw at it. Storage is maxed at 16GB with up to 256GB microSD card support for all your media. Now, the icing on the cake. The Huawei Y5 Prime retails at just below 10,000 Kenyan shillings. And just in case you are wondering, yes, we do have 4G support. That's it for now. My name is Haruni Maina, and I'll see you guys later. Kwaheri.